Hey YouTube, just wanted to show you a pistol I just picked up. It's a Tisas 1911. Got the crimson trace red dot on it. I changed the grips out for some thin grips from Cool Hand. And the slide is actually a TR enabling slide that I ordered, and it's got the stock barrel in it. One thing that I did notice about the Tisas when I had the original barrel and the original slide is that when it went into lockup, if you took the recoil spring out, put the slide stop in, you could wiggle that back and forth. There was no contact at all, so it didn't group really good. I ordered a Wilson Combat slide stop. It's a little bit larger. It's a .200 instead of the 196 that was in it, which made the lockup really tight. I mean, no play at all. Took it out today, and first shot was when I put the red dot on. I had to adjust it. I made the side adjustment, and at 8 yards, pretty much put them all in the same hole. So I moved it out to 15. The first time I shot, made a little adjustment on the red dot, and that's the next 5 at 15 yards. So, and that's with the stock barrel and the Wilson slide stop in it. And I did put a Kart barrel and a Briley bushing in the sided slide, and it shot just as good with the factory slide on it. But for the $500 that they charge for these, they seem to be really well built. The barrel's definitely decent. I did put the Wilson Combat magwell on it. But hope it encourages you to go out and spend your money on a Tisas, because it's definitely worth the price.